Hello everyone. क्या? Hello everyone, this is Kunjal Gala and today we are here again on the same platform. Thank you Sujata for inviting again. Hi Nina. And on the special eve of Diwali, I am going to make tea lit candle holder. And along before that I will be showing 3 shapes. Hi Niharika. Okay, so I am Kunjal Gala, founder of Kunjal Art Classes, and I conduct calligraphy, handwriting improvement and paper quilling workshops. And on the huge public demand, I am back with my another live session on the platform all about fun and learning. Thank you everyone for joining in and eagerly, I know everyone is eagerly waiting. Today we are making tea lit candle holder with a CD. Okay, you can see the whole procedure. It is very easy, it is super easy. And apart from that, I have the video of the same on the YouTube. I will be sharing, but I am very excited to show you right away. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Okay, and talking about the platform, I would also like to thank MyTabs, Sujata Eranki, and the platform all about fun and learning. Now everyone would be thinking that what is MyTabs? Again and again I'm telling what is MyTabs. Okay, so MyTabs is a new generation mobile application for learning something new. You will get to see a variety of tutors, like not only academics but also if you are looking for something, baking classes, art classes, anything you want to learn, you can get a variety of tutors. Right now Sanskrit course is going on in collaboration with MyTabs, and my son is loving it. My son is attending and my son is loving the course entirely. So let's begin with today's paper quilling session. Let me just adjust my camera with the tripod. Just give me 1 minute. So I'm adjusting my yeah. So for today's session we will be needing needle, quilling strip, pro circle. If you don't have a pro circle, then it's fine, but I would suggest always to use a pro circle. Okay, I know there are many people who are making it together with me. So we will be needing quillings and even we will be needing the glue. So we will be needing quilling strip, pro circle and the needle, and in the end we will be needing a CD which we are not using these days, or even the cardboard of the same size is fine. Okay, so be ready with this material. Okay, so I'm sure everyone is ready with all the material which I have mentioned so far. Thank you everyone for joining in once again. So you can take any quilling strip which is of thickness 3 mm or 5 millimeters. Any quilling strip is fine. And needle, there are a variety of needle available in the market. So keep the needle and start rolling. I'm keeping my needle over here so that you can see that it doesn't hide away in the comment sessions. Okay. Okay, so start rolling. See to it that whenever you're rolling, it is not too tight and not too loose. Okay, and you're rolling one above the other. Okay, and once you're done with this, just push it. Okay, just push it. And when you have a pro circle, okay, so what you are not used to use it this way, you have to reverse it and then use it and put it in number 20. Okay, if the radius of the pro circle is given, then it would be number 10 over here, or if the diameter is given, then it would be number 20. Slowly take it out and see to it that it is not losing its shape. Okay, so I will be applying very little bit of the glue and then I will be sticking it. Now while I am sticking it, okay, now while I am holding it, I will be counting till 10. What I will be doing, I will be counting till 10 so that to make sure that it has got stuck properly. Okay, so this is how it will be ready. Okay, we will be making one more shape that way. The color of the strips is your choice, entirely your choice. I'm doing now this with a dark pink strip. Again I'm taking the needle and then I am rolling it. Okay, don't roll it very tightly, don't roll it very loose. It has to be perfect. Try to make the process faster. Hold it this way, hold it this way, so that it is coming one above the other. Okay, so we are done. Now push it. Okay, you never have to stretch it. Okay, and then put it in number 20. Put it in number 20. See, so this is how it opens. Now why we use this pro circle? So that we get the shapes of the uniform size. That is why we use the pro circle. And then we take it out from here slowly. We take it out from here slowly, and we should make sure that it is not coming out of the it is not becoming bigger. So here I have applied Fevicol, as you can see, and then I will stick it and hold it, and I will be counting till 10. What I will be doing, I will be counting till 10. Okay. Okay. So now basically this shape is called hollow shape. What is it called? Basically this shape is called the hollow shape or the loose coil. Okay. Now from these two shapes I will be making another two shapes. Okay. So we will be making a drop shape. Okay. Now see, many people say that like you just need to pinch it and then a shape is ready. Okay. Now to bring more finishing, see, this is the place where I have stuck. This is the place where I have stuck. So I will be pinching over here only to make the drop shape. This is where I will pinch. So what will happen because of this? The whole of these sides will be plain. Okay. So I will be just pinching over here to get a drop shape. Okay. Now if you want to make an eye shape, the shape of your eyes. Okay. So what you can do, see, again I have stuck over here. So I will be pinching over here only. Okay. And then exactly the opposite side I will be pinching. Exactly the opposite side. So this is the shape of eye. Okay, so we have done today 3 shapes. One is the loose coil, that is the hollow shape. One is the drop shape, and one is the eye shape. One is the eye shape. Okay, so these are the 3 shapes that I have shown. Now I have made many of the eye shapes, and now I will be showing a tea lit candle holder. Okay, I will be showing a tea lit candle holder. Okay, now take the CD. Okay, and now I have made many shapes. Okay, I have made many shapes of different colors. As you can see, I have green over here. Okay, then I have white, then I have light pink, dark pink. I have many shapes that way. Okay, so now what I will be doing is see, one by one I will be picking up the shapes. Now I have many of these pink shapes, so in the bottom line I will be using pink shapes. So I will be taking the Fevicol. Okay, now see, apply Fevicol, and apply Fevicol graciously. Don't apply very lesser amount. Okay, it should be a good amount of the Fevicol. And then I am using this fluorescent pink, then I am using dark pink. Okay, I am leaving little bit of gap only. Okay, I am using very little, I am keeping little bit of gap between the two. Okay, and then I am applying enough Fevicol. Okay, yeah. So see to it your hands are very clean. Don't make the shapes dirty with the Fevicol. This was just lip. Okay. Even though the quantity of the Fevicol is more, but it will stick properly. Otherwise what will happen, a little bit of push will remove these shapes. Okay, so see to it that you apply a good amount of Fevicol and you are making a proper border. And as you can see, all my shapes are uniformly made. Okay, all my shapes are uniformly made. So all my shapes are uniformly made. That is why it is looking more attractive. Okay. I will be also sharing my YouTube video link also. So if you want to see the detailed instructions, then you can see. Okay, so now we have ended the first line pretty well. Okay, now in the second line, second layer, I can say we are going to stick white color flowers. Okay, in the second row we are going to stick white color flowers. So we will be applying Fevicol on the shapes as well as in the bottom. Okay, so see, between two shapes I will be sticking like this, so that this white shape is a little bit upwards, so that this white shape is a little bit upwards. Okay, and make sure you have put enough Fevicol, because see, one shape is on the other, and if the bottom shape is not properly stuck, then it will be like coming out after some time then. So see to it that you are applying Fevicol. Yes. And once the Fevicol dries, it will become transparent, so it will not be visible also. So see to it that the Fevicol is not that less, okay, otherwise the shape will come out. And this is the easiest shape. You can involve your child, you can engage your child in making these shapes, okay. This Diwali we are conducting ourselves also conducting a lot of paper quilling workshops. We have started 3 introductory workshops wherein we will be teaching envelopes, rangolis, such tea lit candles, and even there is a separate workshop also, and joint workshop for the wristwatch making of paper quilling. Okay. See to it that it is going one above the other. The Fevicol is properly applied everywhere. Otherwise, there will be problem in the sticking of the shapes. Okay. See to it that Fevicol is properly applied. Okay. So we are done with the second layer of white color petals. Now you know what, for the measurement you need to keep this in between, okay, and then you can stick the green colored petals. Okay, now you can stick the green colored petals, or if you don't want green and if you have if you want the pink, that way also you can work. I will be going with the pink color because I have I feel that would look much better. So again, the same way, the way in which we had stuck white petals, same way I am going to stick the pink petals. Okay. Here also one fluorescent pink, one dark pink, that way you can do. You can work on the colors as well. Okay. I would like to thank everyone for joining in and for being patient, for watching the whole video. Meanwhile, I'm making this. You can have a look at the wristwatch. This is the wristwatch that we are going to teach in our online sessions as well. We are couriering the whole kit of the wristwatch. Okay. If you don't have a pro circle, then You can make it approximately, but then first you need to make all the hollow shapes of the same size. I mean, you need to make one hollow shape and then make all the hollow shapes of the same size, okay? And this Pro Circle is readily available in the market in all the stationery stores. So you know, you can buy one. This Pro Circle is readily available and it is not that costly also like other paper quilling tools, okay? There are many paper quilling tools which I use to make the shapes of the uniform sizes, but this Pro Circle I think is the cheapest. Okay. So this is how we are done with our third layer, and if it is not fitting, just arrange it properly before, you know, the final sticking. Okay, so see to it that the final before the final sticking you are able to place the diya comfortably. You don't need to stick the diya, you just need to put it like, okay. And see, if you can see, the Fevicol is visible in between, but once it is drying it becomes transparent. And this is the most easiest form of the tea lit candle holder, and it looks very pretty, though it is very simple, but it looks very pretty. Okay, thank you Meenakshi Gupta for the compliment, and I will be sharing the YouTube video link of the same in the comment section. So if you want to watch the video, detailed video of this, you can watch it. Yeah, so once again, thank you MyTabs, thank you Sujata Eranki, and thank you All About Fun and Learning platform for inviting me. As I said, all the online courses of MyTabs, you know, they are very helpful in using your time productively, and it will enhance your skills also. So I'm sure you loved this creative tea lit candle holder, and I'm looking forward to more sessions. So if you want to see more of such paper quilling sessions or calligraphy sessions, do let us know. See you all soon, and have a great weekend ahead. So thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you for giving your valuable time, and thank you for all the lovely comments that you have posted during the live session. I'm loving it totally. Thank you. Bye.